All right, let's go on. Reading passage 3. Timur Gariev, blindfold chess champion. Wow. Timur Gariev, blindfold means who blindfolds his eyes and he plays chess. Okay? Yeah, I think his name is there in Guinness Book of World Record as well. Timur Gariev, blindfold chess champion. You know chess is a game. This person is a champion of chess, and the specialty is he plays chess without looking at that. He's blindfolded. Blindfold means aankhon pe patti bande hona. He's blindfolded and he plays chess. Right? Okay. That's interesting. You can Google him, but you don't have time. Again, passage is labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What does that mean? That means Siapa. And that Siapa can be list of headings or which paragraph contains the following information. So what do we have? Which paragraph contains the following information? How many questions? 6 questions. And passage 3. And usually students maximum have 20 minutes for passage 3 because of poor time management. What do? They waste all their time on passage 1. According to me, passage 1 should not take more than 15 minutes. Because in passage 1, type A questions are given. Passage 2 should take around 20 minutes. And passage 3 should take around 25 minutes. Okay? But anyways, so we will do questions 27 to 32 first. No, we'll do them last, right? Then questions 33 to 36, they are true, false, not given. How many questions? 4. Type A. Questions and answers are in order. And then we have 37 to 40, complete the summary below. So 4 questions there. I would advise you to start from summary completion. Then come to true, false, not given. And at the end, if you find time, good. Otherwise, tukkas. Okay? Because you don't leave any blank. So you just have to do the tukkas. And this is the time when they have final announcements. When they announce candidates, make sure you transfer your answers to the answer sheets. Invigilators come and they say, answer transfer karo. Answer your transfers to the answer sheet. Because this is their responsibility. And if you fail to transfer the answers, you will get 1 band. Yeah, they will not check your question booklet. This is question booklet you're holding. In actual exam, they will not check the question booklet. They will only check the answer sheet. If in 1 hour, no answer is written on answer sheet, you will get 1 band. 1 band means non-user of English. Iska English se koi rishta nahi hai. Anyways, let's start. Questions 37 to 40. Choose one word only from the passage. How the research was carried out. Okay? Question number 37. The researchers started by testing Gariev, or whatever his name is. Has anybody heard his name? Gary. Okay, we call him Gary. Let's call him Gary. Okay, no problem. The researchers started by testing Gary's dash. For example, he was required to recall a string of dash. Now let's see researchers. Look for the word researchers and how they started. Researchers. Absolutely fine. For researchers, they use the word scientists. This is how they play. And the good thing is, you will find all the answers in order in paragraph F and paragraph G. So, the scientist first had Gary's performance, some standard memory test. Now listen, the scientist first. So what did they do first? They had some standard memory tests. Now come back. Come back. Now we have 3 words. 3 words. Standard memory tests. Which word will be the answer? Exactly, because for test they use the word testing Gary's memory. You cannot write testing Gary's standard. That will be wrong. Correct answer is memory. And those who write standard, they will be double confident. Standard is the right answer. I have written here. Remember one thing, wrong answer will not give any sense. Logically, grammatically, ethically, wrong answer will never give any sense. So the first correct answer is 37. And for example, now this is linked. In one sentence, if there are two blanks, it means answer is very close, right? For example, he was required. What do they mean by he? Gary, absolutely. He was required to recall a string of dash in order. A string of dash in order. Come back. Memory test. These assessed his ability to hold numbers, pictures, and words in mind. Ability to hold numbers, pictures, and words in mind. Now come back. What will be the right answer? He was required. For example, he was required to recall a string of dash in order and also in reverse order. So something in order and in reverse order. So let's see. They say here, these assessed his ability to hold numbers, pictures, and words in mind. One classic test measures how many numbers as a person can repeat, both forward and backwards. Absolutely. So what was that? Numbers in order and also in reverse order. What is the word for in order and in reverse order? Forward and backward. Now for example, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, blah, 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 like that. So answer is numbers. And how did you find this answer? Because they mentioned in order and also in reverse order. Question number 39. Although his performance was normal, scans showed an unusual amount of dash within the areas of Gary's brain. Unusual amount of dash. Unusual amount. Focus that. Unusual amount of dash. Let's read on. I'm reading it from paragraph F, and just let's read from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6th line. But next came, found it? But next came the brain scans, because they use the word scan. Next came the brain scan. With Gary lying down in the machine, Risman looked at how well connected the various regions of the chess player brains were. Though, just a second, that's not the answer. Though the results are tentative and yet unpublished, the scans found much greater than average communication. And what does that mean? That means unusual amount of. Now see the link. Unusual amount of much greater than average. Unusual amount of much greater than average. They are synonyms. They are rewording. So answer is communication. Okay? All good? Yeah. Let's go on. The next one. In addition, the scans raised the possibility of unusual strength in the parts of his brain that deal with dash input. Underline the word input. Now listen, answer is the part of a brain which deals with a type of input. Type of input. Paragraph G. Everyone please come to paragraph G. It was not the only hint of something special in Gary's brain. The scans also suggest Gary's visual network is more highly connected to other brain parts than usual. Initial results suggest that the areas of his brain that process visual images, such as chessboard, may have stronger links to other brain. Now, visual images, such as chessboards, may have stronger links to other brain regions and so be more powerful than normal. So what is the input? Visual, absolutely. Visual network is more connected and then stronger the links of other brains regions such as chessboard. So images of chessboard, they are visual inputs. Unusual strength in the parts of the brain that deal with. Parts of the brain that deal with. What is the word for that? Yeah, they use the word areas of his brain. For parts of brain, what is the word? Third line. Third line. Areas of his brain that process. That process means areas of the brain that deal with. Process means deal with, process visual images. So the correct answer is visual. All right.